Good morning. Good morning, my dear friends. My dear friends, good morning. Okay. Dear friends, I'm going to focus on English second paper. Dear friends, my today's attempt will be to discuss fill in the gap activity with clues. Dear friends, as you can see, I will welcome you to my class. Okay, I welcome you to my class. That's my identity. I'm Mokir senior teacher in English, Ravindra Boys High School. This class will be for the student of class 8, subject in second paper, fill in the gap with clues. Gap filling with clues. So, dear friends, without losing any time, I just want to get you engaged in doing some or practicing some activity. So, I want you to practice in the gap activity. So, here you can see fill in the a passage for filling the gaps and the clue words that we give it just have the passes. So what you will have to do, you will just read the given words and also read the passes. So you have to choose the correct word and to place it in its right place. So dear friends, the time is 2 minutes. Try to finish it within the scheduled time. Dear friends, so are you doing the activity? If you have finished, let respond. Okay. Dear friends, if you have finished, try to match your answers with mine that I'm going to show you. So please match your answers with mine. You can see So in dash society, all men are not equally well dashed. Some are rich and some are very poor. This is because of dash unequal distribution of national wealth. Men are deprived dash the basic needs of life. They must be provided dash their tears. The rich one is true, dash line of contrast, dash themselves and dash poor. Most of them look down dash the poor. They should be dash and then humanity should be improved. So number A, you can place here A. Now you can use a brush soon connect. So in blank number B, well up. Well up is a phrase which means resourceful. Some are rich and some are very poor. This is because of an unequal distribution of national wealth. Many are deprived of. Deprived of is also a phrase. The basic needs of life. They must be provided to their tears. The resources draw a line of contrast between themselves and the poor. And the poor, you know, before adjectival word, if you use the, then the D plus adjective form plural common noun. So the poor form plural common noun. So between themselves and the poor, most of them look down upon. Look down upon is also a phrase. Look down upon the poor. They should be conscious and then humanity should be improved. Okay, perhaps we have been able to match your with mine. Now I'm going to get engaged in another activity. Try to be attentive. So this is another activity, dear friends. You can see I'm reading the passage for you. Discipline is the most valuable and powerful element for success in life. It implies obedience to tasks, set of rules, dash and orderly life in society is among dash led in life in accordance dash rules. Man is a dash being. In dash society, he cannot do whatever he likes. He has to abide dash some rules. It is not dash inborn virtue. It should be acquired by dash practice of dash. So I request you to read the passage again and again, and also to read the given words. The given words are for, of, social, the, by, and the habit with. So, reference your time is 2 minutes. Within the schedule 2 minutes, try to complete the passage with the given words at the very initial level of the passage. So, discipline is the most valuable and powerful element for success in life. It implies obedience to. Obedience to. You know, to is a prepositional word. So, and set is a noun word. So here you can use determiner or the staff of words. And then number B, set up rules, dash and orderly life in society. So try to think about this blank, whatever words is to be placed. Another point that you should keep in your memory voice, that is, while filling the gap, you will have to think about some points. The first point is, before starting or before getting started to fill in the gap, what you will have to do? You will have to think about the meaning and context of the total passage. Then, if you can understand the meaning and if you can realize the very context of the total passage, then you can think about the part of speech before the blank and after the blank. So if you can tackle all these points, you will be able to solve the problem very easily. So perhaps you are doing your best to fill in the gap. So dear friends, if you have finished your answers, then you can match your answers with mine that I'm going to show you. So please match your answers with mine. Discipline is the most valuable and powerful element for success in life. It implies obedience to a set of rules. A set of rules. I told you that in blank A, you will have to use a determiner word. So A is a type of article and all articles work as determinant. A set of rules for an orderly life in society. It is a mode or it is mode for it is a mode of life. It is a mode of leading life. It is a mode of leading life in accordance with. In accordance with is a phrase. In accordance with rules. Man is a dash being. Man is a social being. In that society, in the society, he cannot do what he likes. He has to abide by. Abide by is a phrase which means to obey. He has to abide by some rules. It is not an inborn virtue. It should be acquired by the practice of habit. By the practice of habit. So dear friends, I think you have been able to match your answers with mine. Now I'm going to get you engaged in another activity. I want you to practice more and more. Through your practicing a lot, you'll be able to acquire mastery over this type of activity. So please try to get engaged in doing the activity. So dear friends, this is another passage you can see. In the blanks with the clues from the box. Studies and politics cannot go together. It is dash unfortunate nature that money and dash attract dash students. If they are involved, dash politics. Once politics was associated, dash social services. A political worker was dash social reformer. Students were in dash forefront, dash unifying the people of the country and fighting dash the enemies. At present, some of the students are exploited as the political parties as their tools and violence. So dear friends, try to solve this problem within next 3 minutes. So before going to the main session, you will have to think about the given words and also meaning and context of the total passage. You will also have to target the words before the blank and after the blank. So I think you are doing your best. I think you are doing your best. So have you finished, boys? I think you have been able to finish your answers. So now I would request you to match your answers with mine. So please Try to be attentive. Dear friends, studies and politics can go together. It is an unfortunate nature that money and dash attract money and power. Money and power attract the students if they are involved in politics. Once politics was associated with social services, a political worker was a social reformer, was a social reformer. Students were in dash forefront. Students were the forefront dash forefront for unifying the people of the country and fighting against the enemies. Fighting against the enemies. At present, some of the students are exploited by the political parties as their tools and powers. So, I think, dear parents, you have been able to match your answers with mine. I request you to continue practicing, and I will also request you to get you engaged in another activity. So, dear parents, stay connected with me. Fill in the blanks with the clues from the works at the given notes are particularly discussion effectively related training, merit, stand, holding, empowerment, gradually. She was only 15 years old when she dashed Roshid in 2008. Marrying of daughters at an early age is a dash practice for many families living in rural Bangladesh. After her dash, she'll be joined to a local dash group that provides adolescent girls with the tools needed to dash change cultural practices. Dash those pertaining to early marriage and pregnancy. The group's activities include dash on how to most dash change behavior, dash to reproductive health as well as one-on-one counseling. It also offers peer-to-peer support love skills dash that helps adolescents say no to early marriage. So, dear friends, I think you were trying your best. So, think about the passages again and again and try to complete the passage with the craving words choosing from the word list given at the very outset of the passage. So I think during the pandemic coronavirus, you were trying your best to learn at home, either with your private tutor or with the Zoom class. I think I will also request you. I think you are also enjoying your Zoom classes taken by our expert professionals. So I would also request you to continue to be attending our classes. So if you have any difficulty in understanding the passage, please try to ask me. She was only 15 years old when she dashed Rashid in 2008. So the word that is to be used in blank A should be a verb word. You can see because the first clause, she was only 15 years old. When? With when, this is a subordinate clause, and subordinate clause needs a subject and find verb, you know. So after she, you will have to use the finding verb. So choose a word from this word list. Two words, which is a verb. So there are only one verb word in its finite form. Married. Married Rashid in 2008. Marrying of daughters at an early age is a dash practice. Is a dash practice. Is a dash practice for many families living in rural Bangladesh. Living in rural Bangladesh. So, dear friends, have you finished your lesson? Have you finished your task? So I think you have been able to finish your task. If you have finished your activity, try to match your answers with mine. That I'm going to show you. You can see when she married Roshik in 2008, marrying of daughters at early age is a dash practice, standard practice for many families living in rural Bangladesh. After her wedding, Shilpi joined a local empowerment group that provides adolescent girls with the tools needed to gradually sense. One point that you should keep in your mind is that if you find any infinitive two and a verb word and a blank within two plus verb, the word that is to be used here is to be an adverbial word. Here, the using of adverbial word between two and given form of verb is called split infinitive. Use of split infinitive to gradually change cultural practices. Dash this pertaining, particularly those parting to early marriage and pregnancy. The group's activities include discussion on how to most effectively change behavior related to reproductive health as well as one-on-one counseling. It also offers peer-to-peer support and life skills training that help adolescents say no to early marriage. So, dear friends, I think we'll be able to understand this. If you have any problems, you could raise your hands or throw my attention. But I think you have been able to understand all the problems included here. Now I'm going to engage you in another activity. I think we have much more time for practicing. So I'm going to get you engaged in another activity. This is another type of activity in which you will have to fill in the blanks with the words from the box. You may need to change the form of some of the words. You may need to use one or more than ones. Though this is different from the question set in your question paper. But I think I'm going to engage you some more typical situation. I'm going to get you engaged in doing some activity which is somewhat complex. So I think you will stay connected with me. When adolescent girls are pulled out of school, either for dash or work, they often lose their dash, their parents and social status. The lack of mobility among adolescent girls also curtails their economic and non-formal education opportunities. Moreover, they lack dash about health issues. Having this chart, only about 3 in 5 adolescents have even how to be surveyed. It's also reported that more than 50% of adolescent girls are dash and suffer from anemia. A recent dash rate increased from 20.3% in 1993 to 24.4% in 2007. Moreover, dash mortality is another concern for younger mothers. While the dash for adolescents was is dash, better many are dash and lack the power to make dash with their own lives. Your friends, try to think about the passage again and again. Though this passage is somewhat difficult to you, and here what you will have to do, you may need to change the form of some words for in the cap needs correct form. So I think about the passage again and again and try to think about the given words also in the box. so that you can use the words in its correct form according to or based on the context and meaning of the total passage, and also targeting the part of speech before or after the blank. I think you are trying your best for playing the cap. So I think in the gap activity is different and needs extra creativity and also power of English. I think if you have enough vocabs and power of grammars, that means if you can understand the total basis according to its context and meaning, and also if you can realize the grammatical points or the inner theme, you will be able to fill the gap with the words from the works. So now I'm going to show you the platform of the answers. Try to match your answers with mine. Okay, friends. What you can see here, the first blank, marriage. When addressing girls are pulled out of school either for dash or work, marriage or work. Here, for is a prepositional word. So after prepositional word, we can use noun word. So for marriage or work, they often lose their mobility. Often lose their mobility. Mobile is to be used in its mobility form. Their friends and social status. The lack of mobility among adolescent girls also curtails their economic and non-formal educational opportunities. Moreover, they lack information. They lack information about health issues. According to study, only about 3 in 5 adolescents have even heard of HIV. It is also reported that more than 50% of adolescent girls are cash are undernourished and suffer from anemia. Adolescents' fertility rate. Adolescent fertility rate increased from 20.3% in 1993 to 24.4% in 2007. Moreover, dash mortality is another concern. Moreover, neonatal mortality. Neonatal mortality is another concern for young mothers. While the dash for adolescent boys, while the situation for adolescent boys is somewhat better, many are vulnerable and lack the power to make decisions about their own lives. So, dear friends, I think you have been able to match your answers with mine. Or if you want, I can show you the last activity again, so that you can, if you have not been able to match your answers with mine, please look at it again. So friends, so if you want, I can tell you the part of speech of the given words: marry, noun, verb word; mobile, adjective word; information, noun word; undernourished, adjective word; fertile, adjective word; neonatal. Neonatal can be noun word or adjective word. Neonatal is a noun word here. Navjato, the Bangla is newly born baby. Situation, noun word. What? This can be relative pronoun. Vulnerable, adjective, decide, verb. And the part of speech of the answers. Marriage, noun word, mobility, noun word, information, noun word, undernourished, adjective word, fertility, noun word, neonatal, noun word. But the words here have been used as the words here. The word neonatal has been used here as adjective word. Neonatal mortality. Neonatal mortality. Then G, situation, noun word, then some word, adverbial word. Many are dash vulnerable, adjectival word to make decisions noun. So dear friends, I think we were able to understand, now we are able to understand the difficulty lying in the passage. So try to stay safe. Thank you for attending my class. I hope you'll try to stay connected with your next class taken by other teachers. So, sir, thank you.